Hey, it's IT Guy Sam with yet another video. A couple of videos ago, I covered the best wireless keyboard and mice. In today's video, I'm going to be covering my top two best wired keyboard. So let's go and check it out and see which ones made it to my top two. One of the best keyboards I've used, as you can see, the model is a Logitech K120. And look how much I've used it, folks. I've used it over and over for the last 5 years. And it's super durable. And it still looks new. It really has kept. I've used it a lot. I've used these keys a lot because I'm a huge gamer. I love playing computer games. And these keys have gone through a whole bunch of just, I don't know how many clicks they've gone through, but hey, even the markings on the keyboard have not faded, which means there's something, you got to say something about this particular keyboard. Logitech has done a great job. In fact, on my wireless keyboard as well that I did mention about in my couple of videos ago, wireless Logitech keyboard, that's a fantastic durable keyboard too. But this one is a full-size keyboard, so it has all these F keys. Okay, it has an escape, of course, and also has the print screen, scroll lock, pause, break, num lock if you are an accountant or you're working, as a teller. This section here, this keypad is super important. Something you need, something you really must have, and of course, it has all the basic keys that usual keyboards would have. These for gamers, man. I've had these pressed down a gazillion times, I feel, and they've still worked perfect. Okay, so this is one of my finest keyboards I've used. I can't honestly do without this keyboard. I just disconnected it actually for this video, but hey, this has been a fantastic. All the keys work well. The key markings have not faded despite I don't know how long I've used this for, and I type a lot of stuff. So this is a fantastic keyboard, folks. If you have to buy one, get the K120 from Logitech. Okay, this will last you it's lasted me for 5 years nonstop. I've been using it a lot, and it still looks brand new after 5 years. Okay, so this is keyboard number one. Let me show you the next keyboard that I love. Alrighty, so the second keyboard that I love is this one. It's from Dell, and this keyboard as well is fantastic. So this keyboard, I haven't used it that much. I've used another keyboard. Of course, it's the same model, but I have to say these keys, they do fade. Okay, so, but other than that, it's fantastic. It really is. Of course, it's got the num locks, great for someone who's working in the bank or, just doing a lot of accountancy stuff. So it's manufactured by Dell, and it's just simple, basic. These keys is all perfect. If you're a gamer, you can use this. These keys are slightly smaller, so the thing is, if your fingers are large, then might not be the keyboard for you. Previous keyboard I showed you, this K120 Logitech, would be ideal because the keys are a lot bigger. I know they look a little bit small on camera, but they are a full-size keyboard, okay? These are good too. They are full-size, but I feel your fingers, I have made mistakes here and there, especially these keys on the top. And of course, they come with a little stand, okay? If you want to just angle your keyboard, that's what the stand looks like. Perfect. And also, I didn't cover that this keyboard too comes with a stand, the one from Logitech. Okay, let me press keys to just show you what it sounds like. This is the Logitech K120, so this is what it sounds like. Of course, nothing like the sound of mechanical keyboard, and the sound of the Dell keyboard. A very tight sound, All right. And then, of course, the sound of this. This one is a little louder, the Logitech, and much deeper to press compared to the Dell. The Dell, you don't really have to press much, just the keys just go down. If I had to buy a keyboard and I had to choose between these two, it would be the Logitech K120 over the Dell keyboard. So that was a quick video of wide keyboards, and like I said, I prefer using the Logitech K120. I think it's a fantastic keyboard. The keys are a lot deeper to press and they sound a lot nicer compared to the Dell. But hey, both keyboards are amazing. Especially, I would use the Dell if I was gaming, and because when you're pressing it, it doesn't really go down too much. So it's fantastic. It's not going to tie your fingers. And these keyboards, you can type in a lot of stuff. In fact, you can actually do a dissertation if you had to using either of these keyboards. If I had to do a dissertation, I would use the Dell keyboard because my fingers wouldn't be that tired, pressing down, as opposed to the Logitech K120. So I hope you found that video useful. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's really going to help me. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, this is IT Guy Sav signing off. You take care and hope to speak to you soon in my next video. Bye for now.